Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VVUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out, in this case, a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, this leads to the very valid question, though, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Oops, I didn't need to go that far. So the key level here going forward, in my mind, is right here at 43 cents. Why is 43 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 43 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. Not saying it will, but let's say there's a pretty drastic pullback, goes all the way down there and then behaves like that. Even with a drastic pullback, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, the overall stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction at that point in time. So, and that's the name of the game, right? Truly strong moves make progress, and in this situation, I'm quantifying that statement, make progress, as 43 cents. What about resistance? As it stands right now, the sellers are hanging out right up around the 50-cent mark. You can see on 2 different occasions today. Bulls try to push up through there, but couldn't quite do it. So that is where the sellers are currently at, 50 cents. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.